Hello everyone, today we are exploring the premium VONIKI Nonstick Granite Frying Pan set for your kitchen. This set includes 3 versatile sizes featuring a healthy, smokeless surface for all your family meals. The naturally nonstick coating requires minimal oil and makes cleaning up a breeze after every delicious cook. These pans feature a magnetized base compatible with induction, gas, and electric stovetops for rapid heating. You will love the see-through glass lids and ergonomic heat-resistant handles for safe and easy maneuvering. Each piece undergoes a rigorous 78-step process to ensure professional durability and a beautiful finish. Upgrade your culinary experience today with this exquisite and functional cookware set designed for modern homes. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.